What's up? What's up, guys? We are up to another video. It's called Cat's Life. We have a lot of cats here, a couple, but the two kittens from the last video I made, they died from two people named Anya and Chloe. Anya kept picking one of the kitten up. Chloe, when she was picking a kitten, I said, put her down, and Chloe just dropped the kitten. And I showed Chloe how you're supposed to do it. And also we have another cat here, and his name is Thunder, just like other black and white cats. They like to sleep, but this one, we haven't seen him in the past few years. And let's go check him out. Ew. This is Thunder, a black and white cat. The screen may look different, but this is still a perfect cat. Look at him. This is my brother, Christopher. He's a cat expert. I'm nearly a cat expert, but I have tamed a black kitten. It's a teenage one. And guys, now I took pictures of my cat and kitten. And also, Thunder, by the way, we seen it 2 days ago. And the kitten right there, it's a shy one, a little one. It's only new, but I actually played with him yesterday or the past few days. I got to play with the kitten. My kitten, the black one, her name is Black Widow. The black and white cat over there, her name is Lightning. Our first black and white cat. The two over there, the one look like Safina, our mom's cat. His or her name is Junior. The little one, we haven't figured out a name for her or him yet. But Thunder, he's special. I seen him when I was 9 years old. And also, look at the kitten. Oh, is that adorable?